ISOFIX for Classic Mini. Ford Mondeo 2008 base. I saw this on the mini forum, so I'm gonna do the same. How we do this? We come inside, we remove the upper seat and we bolt it here. And as you can see, give me a minute. And as you can see, it bolts straight away on this position. And this is where we're gonna put it. So I'm gonna put it here, so I can put my son's ISOFIX. So this is the solution, as I saw it on the mini forum. Like, subscribe. Also, we put the new red carpet, but I missed these parts and I'm waiting for them. I cut also the rest of the carpet and we're gonna put it now. Okay, let's enjoy the progress. Also, I fixed the gauges, I opened them, I cleaned them, now they work perfect. And I put again back after the storm everything, and we're gonna test them right now. Okay, now you see the bolts. The socket left stuck in over there, and I have to fix it. And to see here, now it's ready. That's, ladies and gentlemen, how I put the ISOFIX on the Mini. Now we're gonna put the back seat on, and then I'm gonna show you the final result. The moment of truth. Let's put the seat inside the Mini. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have the ISOFIX added to the Classic Mini. Okay, I didn't think that 66 years ago the Mini have thought that it had an ISOFIX, but here we are. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.